Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer data from internal memory to SD card. So in this case, I'm going to show you on my Android phone how to transfer the data. So first, go to the file manager on your phone, this one, and then as you can see the storage here on my phone, there are phone storage and also SD card. So I'm going to move the data from internal memory or phone storage into the SD card. So click on the phone storage first and then choose the data that you want to move. For example, I want to move some pictures. So I'm going to move for example this folder. Just click on the folder or the files and then click on move at the bottom and choose SD card. Click on that and click on move to here. Okay, so let's go to the SD card. Okay, as you can see here, the data that I've moved before has been is shown here, has been moved to here. Okay, so that is how you can transfer data from internal memory to SD card on Android phone. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment and subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.